ako po si BA. I can't tell you how excited I am to be here. Kasi ladies and gentlemen, alam niyo po ba, ito ang kauna-unahang batang PBA sa labas ng Pilipinas. All of the children here today, all of the parents and everyone in attendance is part of history. Give yourselves a big round of applause. At grabe talaga po yung energy dito. Parang nasa Araneta lang po. Parang nasa MOA Arena. Parang championship game. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Black Hole Boxing, represented by Movement Basketball. They will be having teams in the under 12, under 14, under 16, and under 19 divisions. This is going to make some noise for your Black Hole Boxing!
Ilaw! Ito mga kalaban nila Miguel.
Deborah San Miguel! Sunday Youth Basketball Association and FHLA Phoenix Basketball. PSYBA. Representing the Memorial Chicken Conglomerate Shots, the Workers Basketball Academy.
Yun, may ilaw rin. Wow! Go Partners! Ay, naku. Dominic! Go Partners!
Up next, representing having teams in under 12 and under 16.
Bigo kagad.
Up next, representing the NLEX World Warriors, NGB Vipers Basketball and Vipers Basketball Academy.
Ay, dito, dito. Eh, ay, dito ah.
Representing the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Hindi natin yan ang partner. Ayaw kitang yun. Ay, naku si Mami, nasa harap na. Ang ganda ng bata, oh. Uwi na yata. Uuwi na, andan ng Mami. Palabas kaya dito.
Representing the San Miguel Beavers, Basketball. The teams in under 12, under 14, under 16, and under 19.
Ayan. Andiyan sila. Iniwan ng partner.
Matagal mo nga. Matagal mo nga. Kaya naman silang solo-solo sans mamaya.
Ay, naka.
And last but not least, representing the Phoenix Basketball, Phoenix Warriors and Vipers Basketball Academy. East. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, make some noise for your players and teams of Latin PBA and Middle East.
Ay,
So yun po, ito na po yung pinakamakita. Makikita sila sa ating mga social media. And malay po natin, example po, exposure sa kanya, pag-ibig sila, bibigyan sila ng mga sa kanilang mga kapatid. So players, first of all, para po sa dito, players, remember, your goal is not only to win, your goal is really to have the best experience in this tournament. Develop character as players, and you will go far. For the coaches, please guide your players. I know you're not only coaches, but you're also the second parents of these kids. Okay, so kaya po natin now playing the right way. For the parents, looking forward to the success of this event. the first one, it will not be a perfect tournament. So again, maraming salamat po, and I hope you enjoy the game. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you're well studied. Up next, we have with us a member of the meeting, Mr. Eric Castro. Okay, actually I prepared first and foremost, good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ito ay nagaganap, masaya, first time that the Batang PBA program will be doing it outside the country. So, just to give you a background, the Batang PBA program started way back in 2004. So, the Batang PBA program will choose a lot of players already. Aaron Black, Ravenna, Daniel Brothers, Ian Makuya. So, this Batang PBA program here in England is we are hoping to discover future PBA players. So, sa mga sinabi ni Coach Richard, totally agree. Okay? This is a platform for all of you guys, for all the kids. Okay? So, every time we do our Batang PBA in the Philippines, in our country, every summer, same kids, same faces, and nakikita ko excited, masasaya. Lalo na yung mga iskula. Kaya every time I open the Batang PBA ako, lagi nito sinasabi, mga bata, palagpakan ninyo ang inyong mga magulang, dahil ang mga magulang ninyo, nagkalaman, bring you guys to be here. So again, palagpakan ninyo ang inyong mga parents, also, I want to send our gratitude to the team owners, of course, Eric Castro.
Limit pa naman ang 700. 200.
Ladies and gentlemen, when we got the October Makagar, there was always a lot of excitement for but there's always a lot of excitement from some of the VIPs we have present here today. We brought here two legends of the game. For the kids who are too young to have watched some of our legends, I'm going to read out the achievements that they have. Starting off first with our first speaker. He is an 8-time PBA champion, a 4-time PBA Finals MVP, a 1-time Mr. of the Congress, a 10-time PBA All-Star. He is the only playing head coach of the PBA today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Teniente L.A. Una-una, ako ay makasalamat na gusto ko makasalamat sa mahilig na magkakapit ko sa akin dito. Ang PBA ko po ay PBA. So, itong programa ito ay hindi magiging posible ko dahil sa PBA. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa PBA, kay Coach Richard, sa lahat ng mga organizers ng Batang PBA Middle East for giving me this opportunity na nakatayo sa harapan po ninyo ng ating mga kababayan. Matagal na po ako nakapunta dito dahil nagkakapunta po dito sa Qatar. Ganito kahilig po magtanggal sa amin dito ng Gilas. Mahilig mag-basketball, manood ng basketball ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Qatar, sa Middle East. Kaya naman dito sa PBA. So, para po natin yung PBA.
Step into the light, please. Sundan tayo at may camera dito. Mr. President, how are you? Pwede daw pa po yung dito. Kasi meron tayo
No? Alam ko po, alam ko po ang kasiyahan na nakikita natin ating mga negosyari. Wala po kami nito opportunity. Kailangan po kami maglaro ng high school, ng college, ng amateur, bago po kami magpagsuot ng PBA uniform. Ngayon po, kayo mga bata, sa isang a young age, nakasuot na kayo ng PBA uniform. So, kailangan ng opportunity. Don't waste this opportunity. No? Kayo na mo sa amin. Pakita ninyo na isa kayong parte ng PBA family.
Yay!
Pakita nyo na pwede kayo maglaro in the future sa PBA.
Wala mo eh.
Diba? Dahil ito, magbigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo yung uniform.
Kaso may jersey yung ano, pentel pen. May pentel kasi. Ay, sige.
Bibihirap isa na nakakasuot ng PBA uniform.
Ayun.
Sa mga bata.
So, ayun.
Kaya,
Babalik ko sa'yo mamaya.
ipakita ninyo na
Kasi ako
pinagaling.
Yung uniform na lang nila. Oo, sa likod, no? Yan, yan.
So, habang naglalaro kayo, imagine nito, masuot ninyo. Diba? Masuot ninyo, the first six na minagpa. Sipin nyo, Scotty Thompson kayo. Diba?
Yes.
Sipin nyo sa Batola, ng purchase ninyo. Only kayo.
Yeah.
Diba? Sa San Miguel, kung number 15 kayo, sipin nyo, Jurman Card kayo. Masaya kayo. Ha? So, mga bata, enjoy the game. Make the most out of it. At syempre, ingat na kayo sa mga nalaro ng basketball.
Yeah.
Ingat natin, pero ingat ito today, mag-enjoy kayo. Maraming
Ladies and gentlemen, the NA Tutorial. Sigurado ako yung probably did not get to watch him play. But ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you one of the PBA's 50 greatest players.
Tumabi ka naman kanina ka pa eh.
He is a 12-time PBA champion, a two-time PBA Finals MVP. He is the shortest ever PBA player to win an MVP. Standing tall at 5'8". Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Flying Ace!
So blessed and honored and thankful God. Also, me and Ella is standing behind me, reaching our goal, sealing our dream. Sobrang akong blessed na naging part ako sa tournament nito. To all the people behind this event, God bless you all.
Excuse po, natatakpan po yung camera sa likod. Natatakpan po yung may camera po sa likod mo.
Deputy Eric Castro here, Commissioner Will Marshall. Guys, every time you carry that jersey,
Yeah.
be proud.
Yeah.
There's a new avenue for you going to the next level.
Yay!
For you to be proud. For the parents, for the workers,
Yes! Yes!
for the blessed. Put your trust on what you bring here. Send a message to everyone, every single step of the way. They have the chance for and opportunity to get to be there at the next level, what we're dreaming about.
Amen.
Patuloy lang po natin yung supportahan. Salamat po, Ipanong, dito po ito. Na-share po natin po knowledge namin with the head of President of Teacher, Del Rosario, L.A. Paulo, Del Rosario, sa lahat po yung mga kasama namin. Thank you for forgiving batang ibig at chance na matulungan po sa mga batang middle listener to show their talent and who you are here with the board. Maraming pong salamat.
Thank you din po!
Say thank you din ako sa lahat ng suporta. Sa PBA, sa mga batang premature, everyone. Thank you for